everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for healthcare and medical equipment business. So as a healthcare and medical equipment business provider, I provide a wide range of medical devices and professional equipments and receive a lot of queries from my customers. So in this video I am going to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot that will answer my customer queries in my absence and provide details to them on the basis of data which I have provided to it. So firstly in this video we are going to build an AI agent. Now if the user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for healthcare and medical equipments business. So as a healthcare and medical equipments provider, I provide a wide range of essential medical devices, home health products and professional equipments, and I receive a lot of queries from my customer. So we are going to design a chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, and we are going to use AI assistant so that it can respond to my customer in my absence and provide the details to my customer based on the data I have provided to it. And I have provided the data in the form of .txt document. So here in this docs you can see I have created a knowledge base regarding my business. So now if the user will send a message, my AI assistant is going to respond based on the details filled over this document. So now let's create our WhatsApp AI agent, but firstly I am going to show you how exactly this AI assistant works. For that, let's move on to my WhatsApp, and here you can see I have opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now let's send a message that is, hey, I need help. Here you can see I have entered this message that is, hey, I need help, and here my AI assistant is responding to me. Now let's enter our another questions and see whether our AI assistant is responding based on the data I have provided to it or not. Here I am going to send a message that is, please tell me about your products, and here you can see our AI assistant has responded to this question. Here we have got the response, that is the brief overview of the products. Now let's check whether we are getting the same data which we have filled over the document or not. For that, let's move on to our docs here, and you can see we are receiving the same data which we have filled over in this document. So our AI assistant is responding successfully, and now I am going to tell you the process of building your own AI agent chatbot. So for that you just have to use Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in, sign up free. If you are a new user you can just click on sign up free, but as I have already an account on Pabbly I will just click on sign in. Here once I have finished my sign up I have got this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly, but we are going to create a AI agent chatbot. Now for creating a AI agent chatbot we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app. So just click here. Here you can see we have got this dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting the option for add WhatsApp number. So you can also add your WhatsApp number in two ways, that is WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number you can simply click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number you can click on manual token connect. And here on the sidebar you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows, and we use flows for creating our chatbots. Now further here we are getting the AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. So you can access any of these features based on your needs. So if you want to learn more about these features you can find the video link in the description given below. Now as we are going to create our AI agent or AI assistant, we just have to click on AI assistant over here on the sidebar. As we have clicked on AI assistant we have got this page, and here you can see we are getting the total number of AI assistants, the active number of AI assistants and the number of inactive AI assistants. So here you can see these are the AI assistants I have created. Now I am going to tell you how you can create your own AI assistant from scratch. For that you just have to click on add AI assistant button over the top right corner, and here as I have clicked on add AI assistant I have got here to enter the assistant name. So now let's provide name to our assistant here. Here I am providing the name to my AI assistant as Medisure. Now I am going to just click on add AI assistant button here, and here you can see somewhat my AI assistant look like this. Now here it is asking me to enter the AI instructions, so I am going to select the instruction type as AI agent over here, as I am going to create the AI agent. You can even select the custom prompt here. You can also choose another agent, that is customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, but as I am going to create my AI agent I will just click on AI agent over here as the instruction type, and here you can see these are the instructions given below. You can also add your own instructions for your AI assistant, but I am going to keep it the same. And now let's move on further, and here you can see we are getting the AI configuration, and in this AI configuration it is asking me to select the temperature. So you might be thinking what are temperatures? So temperature basically shows the creativity of AI's ends, means if you move towards 0 AI will answer more focused, and if you move towards 1 AI will be more creative. So here basically 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. Now further here it is asking me to select AI to use. So I am going to select the OpenAI here, and further here it is asking me to select the model. So I am going to select the model as GPT-4o mini. You can select suitable model according to you. Now further here it is asking me to enter the API token. So for that here you can see in this help text it is written, kindly visit your OpenAI API keys page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So here we just have to go to our OpenAI API's key page, and here you can see we are getting the option for create new secret key. So here you can provide the name and select the project and create your own secret key or the API tokens. So as I have already an API token, I will just paste it over here. Here you can see I have provided the API token over here. Now let's simply click on connect and see I have got this message that is OpenAI key saved successfully. So we have basically built the connection. Now here we are getting the AI assistant settings. So if you want to provide header or the footer message, you just have to enable it and enter the header or the footer message. Now if you want to provide stop keywords, you can also provide the stop keywords here. Here you just have to enter the stop keywords, and you can also provide the retry attempt over here. So retry attempt is basically the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the range of retry attempts is from 1 to 10, but I am going to keep it as the same, that is I am going to disable the retry attempt over here. Now further we are getting the fallback message. So basically this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So I am going to keep it same. Now move on further. So here we have to provide the document which contains details of our business. So I am going to upload the file over here, and you have to remember one point, that the format of the file should be .txt. So for that you just have to go to docs, and here you can see we are getting the option for files. So just click on files here, and you can see we are getting the option for download. So here you have to download your file in .txt format. Then this AI assistant is going to accept your file. Now I am going to drag a file over here. So for that you can see I am having a file name about Medisure Life Care. So I am going to just select it, and here you can see I have got this message that is file uploaded and processed successfully. So here you can see as I have uploaded the file, I have got this name and the vector ID. And now let's move on further and configure this assistant interface. So here you can see it is asking me to enter the header display or the heading name. So I am going to provide my brand name in this heading name. Here you can see as I have provided my brand name, this brand name is changed over this chatbot. Now further here it is asking me to enter the subheading name. So I am going to keep it as the same, but you can provide subheading name according to you, and this subheading name will appear here in this header of the chatbot. Now further it is asking me to enter the initial message. So here you can provide the initial message you want to send to your customer. Now you can also add your own initial message. For that you just have to type the message. So here you can see I am entering the message that is hi, and we have got this initial message over the chatbot, but I am going to keep only one initial message over here. Now let's move on further, and here we are getting the option for enable and disable. So if you want to show the label of the powered by Pabbly, you can just click on enable, but if you don't want to display it, you can simply click on disable over here. And here you can see as I have clicked on disable, the label of the Pabbly has disappeared, but now I am going to keep it as enable over here. So again we have got this label of Pabbly. Now here further you can provide the footer text. Here it is provided as privacy policy, so I am going to keep it as the same, but you can provide footer text according to you. Now further you can provide the footer link also, and here we are getting the option for users first message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp as initial message from the user. So I am going to keep it as hey I need help, but you can enter the message according to you. Now let's move on further to the styling and customize the visuals of our chatbot. So if you want to change the theme mode of the chatbot, you can change it from here. Here we are getting light or dark, so now let's select the dark over here, and here you can see the theme of our chatbot is changed to dark, but I am going to keep it as the light. Now further you can also change the shape of the assistant, and further you can even provide coloring to your chatbot. And if you want to add header profile picture, assistant profile picture, or the background picture, you can just provide it over here. So here we are done with the styling of our AI assistant. Now here we just have to simply enable our AI assistant to make it active, and now we just have to click on save AI assistant over here, and once you will click on save AI assistant, you will get this pop-up that is AI assistant saved successfully. Now if you want to embed AI assistant to your business, you just have to click on embed over here, and you will get the script code. So you just have to use the script code to add AI assistant to your business. Now let's again move to my WhatsApp and check whether our AI assistant is responding or not. So let's move on to my WhatsApp. Now let's firstly clear this chat, and now I am going to again send the message that is hey I need help. Here now I am going to send this message. So now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant, and here you can see our AI assistant is responding. Now let's enter another question and check whether it's responding based on our details or not. So here you can see we have got this response from our AI assistant. Now here you can see our AI assistant is providing the same information which is filled over this document. So you can see our AI assistant is working properly. So you can also create an AI agent chatbot like this for your business business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video.
So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.